Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting hardware ready. Charge the earbuds to at least 50% and keep them powered off before pairing. Next, plug the USB receiver into a direct USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 port on your PC. Avoid hubs because they can interfere with wireless latency. If you plan to manage firmware or EQ, install Razer Synapse now. It's optional for basic audio but required for updates and advanced controls. Once done, move to the pairing step so the PC can detect the dongle. Now pair the earbuds to the receiver. Power the Hammerhead Hyperspeed on and press the pairing button until the LED flashes rapidly, which puts them into pairing mode. The receiver should auto-link. If not, reinsert it. On Windows, open Sound Settings and choose the Hammerhead as the default playback and communication device so apps use the correct input/output. If you installed Synapse, select the Hyperspeed profile and apply any firmware updates. This reduces latency and fixes incompatibilities during gameplay or calls. Finish by testing. Play music and run a mic test in Sound Settings to confirm both directions work. Adjust volume and Windows format, sample rate, for best clarity. If connection fails, remove the device from Windows devices or Synapse and repeat the pairing sequence. That often resolves handshake issues. If you experience static or lag, move the receiver to another USB port, avoid nearby wireless interference, and disable exclusive mode in sound properties. This prevents apps from locking the device and causing dropouts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.